Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, we'll show you how to configure your TP-Link wireless router as an access point. This setup will help you extend your wired network into a wireless one. It's giving you more coverage and flexibility. Let's get started. First, make sure your TP-Link router is powered on and connected to your main wired router using an Ethernet cable. You can connect your computer to the TP-Link router either through Wi-Fi or with another Ethernet cable. Next, open your web browser and type tplinkwifi.net in the address bar. You'll be prompted to log in using the default username and password, which are usually both set as admin. If the login page doesn't appear, make sure your browser is not using a proxy by checking the settings. Now, there are two possible cases depending on your TP-Link router model. In the first case, if your router has an operation mode option, go to Advanced greater than Operation Mode, or Advanced greater than System Tools greater than Operation Mode. Select Access Point Mode and follow the quick setup steps. You can change your network name, also known as the SSID, and password during this setup. Once completed, your router will be configured as an access point. And you can connect to the new wireless network using the updated SSID and password. In the second case, if your router does not have the operation mode option, follow these steps. Log into the router's management page and go to Network greater than LAN. Change the LAN IP address to one within the same subnet as your main router, but outside the DHCP range. For example, if your main router's IP range is 192.168.2.192.168.2.199, set your TP-Link router's IP to 192.168.2.11. After that. Okay, go to Wireless greater than Wireless settings and change the SSID to your preferred name. Then, go to Wireless greater than Wireless security to set a password using WPA or WPA2 for better security. Save your settings. Next, go to DHCP greater than DHCP settings and disable the DHCP server. Save the changes again. Once you have made these adjustments, go to System Tools greater than Reboot and restart your router. Finally, connect your main router to the TP-Link router using an Ethernet cable via their LAN ports. Your TP-Link router is now configured as an access point. You can connect to it wirelessly using the SSID and password you set or use the LAN ports to connect wired devices. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need assistance with your setup. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.